making another fidget toy. This is also inspired by Toaster Vlogs. I'm not going to say it that much in this video. But yeah, so it's this thing and it looks pretty weird, but there's a ball in the middle and you just kind of move it around. It's kind of just fun. It's just like weird feeling. Just kind of cool. So yeah, what you will need for this is, what you will need is a marble. First item. First item is a marble. Second item you'll need is a pack of sticky notes. And the third item you'll need is tape. I'm just using packing tape. So yeah, let's get to it. Shouldn't have really thrown that, should I? Okay, so here we go. That was a bad idea. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take it so the sticky side is facing up and have it like that. Okay, and then you want to stick it right in the middle and you want to fold it over. Make sure it's lined up. That's why I'm taking my time. Okay, so after you do that, it's not it. Okay, so now you should have something that looks a lot like this. Okay, so next what you want to do is take tape. Oh, where is it? Here it is. Take the tape and just kind of take on a little bit. That's probably good. Oh my goodness. Sorry, this is taking, but yeah, you may not need to watch this part of the video, but I don't know how to fast forward it, so yeah. That's why you're still here, aren't you? Hold on. If you have any access, you can just trim it. It's perfectly fine. Okay, so after you get one side, just do the same thing for the other. Are you joking with me? This thing is so... This is not working right now, so I'll be back with another piece of packing tape. I'll go buy that right now. It'll be a quick shot. Forgot to lock the door. Okay, come on. Okay, so I bought the packing tape. I know I'm really fast. Come on. So this packing tape is gonna work really well. Let's just pull that much off. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take it and do the bottom part. Donnie, what are you doing? Hey, it's actually working. Okay, so after you do that, then all you really need to do now is get the other side. Or one. This is the other side, right? And yeah, there you have it. One of these. So I hope you liked, comment, and I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, subscribe.